Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. AJ Mitchell, perhaps first time here on Growing Guitar. Not sure about that, but this one is called Foolish, the song, and it's very simple to play. We have only 4 chords that goes in the same way through the entire song, and we will choose between 2 different strumming patterns, which I showed you here in this introduction of this tutorial here. So we're gonna learn the chords and the strumming patterns, and that's it. So we have no need for any cape on this one, so we'll go over the chords, and the first one will be B minor. You bar the 2nd fret here. You don't have to bar the last E string, so just the 5 strings below there, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord will be E, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. We have A, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is F sharp minor. Again, a bar chord on the 2nd fret. This time you bar all strings, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And that will be the chord progression through the entire song: B minor, E, A, and F sharp minor. So, like I said, 2 different strumming patterns here, or styles. So one is just down, up, okay? So if we go to the B minor, you play like this for 1 round. Okay, so down, up, and I like to emphasize the 2nd down there when I go down on the higher notes. So on the down up, to the 1st down up, you play more on the bass strings, and then on the down, I go down here, and then I go up again. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, like that. So so that's how you do it, and you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord here. So B minor 4, E 4, A 4, F sharp minor 4. It sounds like this. All right, that's 1 round, but I prefer the 2nd strumming variation here with more emphasis on the beats. So here, instead of playing down, up, you play now down, up, clap, up. So that means you replace the down you emphasized with a clap instead. So B minor, again, 1 string around goes. Okay, so that is down, up, clap, up. In this song here, there's a very prominent beat there, so that's why I believe this fits better. If you don't like this technique with the claps and so, you can go with the down, up, or if you think that sounds better, but I think this is more accurate. So, same here, you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord, and it will sound like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers AM's Foolish. So yeah, AJM Foolish actually. So anyway, I think this is pretty easy to handle. 4 chords and just a strumming pattern, and you can take off from there. So good luck with this one guys, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please support me here on Growing Guitar, and until next time, play tune.